Munchkin's Hub.
Cow, cow, cow gives us milk. Wow, wow, wow! Pig, pig, pig loves to roll in the muddy mud. Sheep, 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 soft white wool to keep us warm. Goat, goat, goat loves to climb and jump around. Horse, horse, horse runs so fast across the farm. Donkey, donkey, donkey helps carry heavy loads each day. Chicken, chicken, chicken lays fresh eggs every day. Rooster, rooster, rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. Duck, duck, duck quacks and swims in the pond. Goose, goose, goose honks so loud all day long. Turkey, turkey, turkey spreads its feathers wide with pride. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit hops so fast around the farm. Calf, 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 a baby cow so cute. Bull, 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 strong and mighty on the farm. Ending farm, 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 come and meet them one by one. Sing together, have some fun.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.